As we look ahead to 2024, the stock market offers a mix of opportunities, from tech giants to innovative green energy companies. Whether you're an experienced investor or just starting, buying and holding the right stocks can lead to significant growth in your portfolio. Here's a look at the top 5 stocks to buy and hold in 2024 for long-term success. 1. Apple Inc. AAPL. Why it's a buy. Apple remains a powerhouse in the tech world, continually innovating in hardware and software. Beyond the iPhone, Apple's revenue is driven by its growing ecosystem, including wearables, Apple Watch, AirPods, subscription services, Apple Music, iCloud, and health tech. 2024 growth drivers. Expanding into augmented reality with the Vision Pro headset. Strong revenue from its services division, with a focus on privacy and customer loyalty. Continued leadership in consumer electronics and wearable tech. Why hold long-term? Apple's strong cash reserves, global brand dominance, and commitment to sustainability and innovation make it a resilient choice for long-term growth. 2. Microsoft Corporation MSFD. Why it's a buy. Microsoft is a giant in cloud computing, software, and AI development. Its Azure platform has become a cornerstone for businesses worldwide, challenging Amazon Web Services for dominance in cloud infrastructure. 2024 growth drivers. Major growth in Azure. As more businesses transition to cloud-based operations, success in AI development, with integrations into Microsoft 365 Office and LinkedIn. Expansion of its gaming division Xbox, Activision Blizzard acquisition, and the metaverse. Why hold long-term? Microsoft's broad portfolio across software, cloud, AI, and gaming gives it stability and consistent growth potential. It's a safe bet for investors looking for both innovation and reliable returns. 3. Tesla Inc. TSLA. Why it's a buy. Tesla is more than an electric vehicle EV company. It's a global leader in renewable energy and autonomous technology. Elon Musk's ambitious vision for Tesla is focused on sustainable energy solutions and electric mobility. 2024 growth drivers. Increasing global demand for electric vehicles, supported by government incentives. Expansion in battery storage technology and solar power. Leadership in autonomous driving technology, with future potential in robotaxis. Why hold long-term? With the world moving toward green energy, Tesla's position as a leader in EVs and renewable energy makes it a must-hold stock for the future of mobility and clean technology. 4. Nvidia Corporation NVDA. Why it's a buy. Nvidia dominates the high-performance computing market, specializing in graphics processing units (GPUs) for gaming, data centers, and AI. With AI becoming more integrated into industries worldwide, Nvidia's chips are in high demand. 2024 growth drivers. AI revolution fueling demand for Nvidia GPUs in data centers and AI-driven research. Growth in the gaming industry, where Nvidia GPUs remain essential for high-performance gaming systems. Expansion in autonomous vehicles and the development of AI-driven tech like robotics. Why hold long-term? Nvidia's technology is critical for AI, machine learning, and autonomous systems, ensuring long-term growth as industries increasingly rely on these technologies. 5. Alphabet Inc. Google. Why it's a buy. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, dominates digital advertising and search. Its investments in cloud computing, autonomous vehicles Waymo, and artificial intelligence DeepMind position it for future growth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and feel free to drop a comment below with any ideas or topics you'd like to see in future videos.